Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's me, Prismatic, and so I'm gonna be showing you how to optimize your game, like your Gorilla Tag fan game or just any VR game, because this works for pretty much anything, any VR game at least that I can think of. Um, anyway, so the first this is just this is really laggy, like realistically it's not that laggy, but it's affecting the lag is affecting the player's movement, so we don't want that. So what I'm gonna do, first thing I can recommend, go to occlusion calling, or just go to window if you want to get this. Go to window, rendering, occlusion calling, and this is one of the best things I can recommend, because basically makes it so, let's visualize it, because I already have a little bit of it set up, but I don't think all of it. So the player camera is here, so I have it on. So see, if I turn away from, like, let's say the keys on the keyboard, they disappear. So basically any renderer that isn't being seen in the camera, it just disappears, and this saves a bunch a bunch of frames. So it'll just be a much smoother, like the game will just be way smoother. Okay, so you just click renderer, you go to object, click renderers, click on, it's gonna show t dot renderer. So just click, then Control A to select everything. That's what I do, and then I just press these. Doesn't really matter, I don't think, like the occluder static or occludee static. And you can just go here, bake, if you need to change anything. I don't really think you will need to, but I might. Smallest occluder, make that a little bit smaller. If you make that smaller, there'll be more occluders, or whatever they're called, and that's just gonna save you some more frames. And then the next thing I can recommend, I'm assuming you have Pro Builder. If you don't, you can just go to Package Manager. I think it's 3D World Building, and Pro Builder's right here. Or just search up, go to Unity Registry, and then Pro Builder, and then it's right here. So what you can do with that, you can use that, and I make my maps using Pro Builder. So I'm gonna select my maps. Basically, whatever I made Pro Builder with, like whatever I used to make Pro Builder, I just triangulate. If you turn everything into triangles, it saves performance. I'm not entirely sure how, but it does. Triangulate, and you just want to triangulate everything you can. Like here, there's a bunch of these, so triangulate. Then here, let me select it. Here you can Pro Builderize. Yeah, if you press Pro Builderize, that just makes it so you can use Pro Builder on it, and then you can just triangulate it, but I'm not going to do that. Here, just triangulate. Boom. And that's gonna save you like so many frames. So yeah, so that'll work. Next thing is go to project settings. If you don't know where that is, if you don't have it here or anywhere, you can just go to edit and then project settings. Then you can go here to player, click other settings. I'm not sure if you should change this. Anyways, but here where it says graphics APIs, remove Vulkan. And then you can also scroll down a little bit to where it says target architectures, if it says ARM v7, disable that and turn on ARM 64. Make sure this is IL2 CPP. If it's mono, just set it to IL2 CPP. And then I think that is all you really need right now. And yeah, that should be everything. Maybe you can make it, I'm not doing this, but like let's say you enter a new map, a new level. You can you make a trigger or something to disable the other one. Maybe I'll do a tutorial on that. And yes, that should work. And to test your occlusion culling, to know if it worked, you should probably do it last, just so after you've done everything, that'll just finish it off. Also, unpack your prefabs. I don't know what it is about that, but that's also gonna save you some frames. So you can do that and go here. Gorilla Rig, Gorilla Player, Visualization. So we see all this here, but look away and it's gone. Same with the volumetric lights. You probably don't have them. I do. But if you do, just make sure you select every mesh renderer or and yeah, that should be good. That should be everything. And yeah, there you just optimized your game by a lot. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Have a good day.